During the fall months and depending on where you live, zoysia lawns are probably starting to recover from the summer heat and need to prepare for winter dormancy. Keep your zoysia at a height of ½ inch to 2 inches for optimum performance. Finer bladed zoysias like Geo Zoysia and Innovation can be kept at a height of ½ inch to 1½ inches, while thicker bladed zoysias like Empire perform better at a height of 1 to 2 inches. However, let your lawn grow slightly taller than our recommended range in the fall to encourage deeper root growth. Deeper roots help the grass survive during winter dormancy. The roots below are what keep the grass alive, while the blades above the surface are dormant. For more information on mowing heights, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Empire, Innovation, and Geo Zoysia. If you have a different kind of zoysia, refer to our generic zoysia maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our fall maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for zoysia lawns.